NEMA 1430 outlets are commonly found in homes built after 1996 and is used for 4-prong dryers, level 2 EV charging, and power distributing to smaller appliances. It has 2 hot vertical terminals, a round ground, and an L-shaped neutral. They are rated for up to 30 amps and 125 and 250 volts. These outlets are able to operate at either voltage, making them useful for almost any situation. With the right adapter, you can power 110 volt equipment or 220 volt equipment. Sometimes it can be confused with NEMA 1450. But NEMA 1450 has 3 straight prongs instead of the 2 with an L-shaped as the third.